Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Williams furnace gas valve, part #P323011. The Williams furnace gas valve, part #P323011 is a direct replacement gas valve for Williams furnace models. It is designed to control the flow of natural gas or propane to the furnace. The valve is equipped with a manual shut-off lever and an adjustable pressure regulator. It also has a safety shut-off feature that will automatically shut off the gas supply if the pressure exceeds a certain level. The valve is constructed of durable brass and comes with a half NPT inlet and outlet connection. This gas valve is UL listed and CSA certified for safety, and this part fixes the following symptoms. This gas valve is designed to replace an existing gas valve in a Williams furnace. It will not fix any symptoms, but it will replace a faulty or malfunctioning gas valve. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the furnace. 2. Disconnect the gas line from the existing gas valve. 3. Remove the screws that hold the existing gas valve in place and remove it from the furnace. 4. Install the new Williams furnace gas valve part #P323011 in place of the old one, making sure to use new screws to secure it in place. 5. Reconnect the gas line to the new valve and turn on the power to the furnace. 6. Test for proper operation by turning on all of your heating controls and checking for proper operation of your furnace system. You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.